Hello and a warm welcome to this short introduction of Tapio, getting you prepared for the live event of HOMAG, the Expo Hall in Horb. Let's take the advantage of the upcoming 20 minutes to look at Tapio and also to introduce two digital products. First, we're going to look at Service Board and second at Twinio, the digital tool management. My name is Julia Kasper, and together with my colleague Jan Essig, we're both working in the product management of Tapio. We're going to introduce someone new to you now.
Hello, I'm Joey. I'm an owner of a medium-sized company. In our company, we process panel materials and make wonderful furniture from it. The physical reality in my workshop is colorful and diverse. If every manufacturer of machines, materials or tools offers me their own digital solution, I'm stuck in dead ends. I need an environment in the digital world that also digitally reflects the diversity of my workshop. This is the only way I can use my own data to make my workshop more efficient. I have counted our logins. We have over 50 different logins for different applications. Me and my team leave digital traces everywhere. There must be a way to improve this. My HOMAG contact gave me the advice to register with Tapio at no cost. So now I have a central place where I can digitally map my workshop. With Quick Connect, I'm able to connect my machines to Tapio quick and easy. I can invite my colleagues to join the application so they can start work with it. I also can connect my HOMAG service partner inside the application. He also gave me a contact from Tapio. I will call them right away to get a better understanding of Tapio.
Yeah, that's absolutely right, Joey. And as a result, not only your workshop is connected, but you have the prerequisite that you can use your data across the board. And that for machines, for example, from HOMAG, or for tools from Volco or AKE, and other Tapio partners, of course. And currently there are 43 partners active in the Tapio ecosystem. So you might ask, who is Tapio suitable for? And we recognize in the market that Tapio is really used by small clients, such as carpenters with a team of 5, up to large kitchen productions. And as a result, the workshop becomes connected and then more efficient. The fact that Tapio is helping the woodworking industry to leap into the digital future shows its evidence in the global demand. So Tapio is being used in Europe, but of course as well in North America, Australia, New Zealand, and soon in Asia as well. Yeah, Joey, you just named it, that you leave digital traces everywhere. We've all experienced that learning curve about our personal data on social networks or on various search engines. But with Tapio, that's different. So you remain the master of your data because it's your production relevant data. You decide which application you want to share your data with. You decide which application accesses which data. At Tapio, we enable you to lock, so to say, your data and decide for yourself whom you want to give the keys to. Yeah, Joey, let me show you our machine board as an example. Machine board is an app for condition monitoring. First, you do have an overview on all your machine states, and this is displayed in different colors. Second, you see the remaining time and the residual time of the processes you currently run. Third, it can send you push notifications so that you have all information in hand. And of course, you can also access machine details. To sum that up, customers like Joey really benefit from Tapio. First, there are various solutions in the ecosystem and different partners are integrated, such as HOMAG. Second, it's really industry specific and it ranges from service applications to cutting optimization, for example. Third, and it became clear in the last slides, I hope, Tapio really ensures that the data is first available and secure at the same time, and second, Joey stays owner of his own data. And fourth, Tapio is really simple. So Joey has one single login for multiple applications and manages his business at one digital place.
That all sounds great for me. I just signed up and now I'm ready to discover all the applications. The registration of my company was super easy. I just went to the Tapio website, created my company an account, and received a verification mail. Now I'm ready to buy license for all the different applications in the Tapio shop. Maybe you can tell me what is currently available.
Well then, Joey, a warm welcome to the tapio ecosystem. Here you can see an overview of the applications in the ecosystem, ranging from transparency in the more greenish area to tools and materials, optimization, and service in the orange area. The black tiles display the Tapio own products. Thus, Tapio offers products where many partners can integrate as a basis, so to say. There is, for example, the machine board that I just introduced to you. And Hallmark in the white tiles focuses on very specific applications such as sculpting optimization, IntelliDivide, or in the service area, Service Assist.